Hello, thank you for calling Ono Hotel and Restaurant. This is Jeffrey Ayok. How can I help you? Hi, I like to book a table for a dinner. Sure, may I have your name and place? My name is John Paul Ayok. Thank you, Sir John Paul. Can I get your phone number and address? My phone number is 0901-4344-251 and my address is Dabong, Maylag, Valencia City. I get it. What date and time do you want to come? I like a table for March 15, 2025 at 7:30 p.m. Okay, how many people will be with you? There will be two of us. Noted. Do you have any special requests? Yes, I like to table in window seat and one of us vegetarian. Problem. How would you like to pay? We accept cash, credit card, and online payment. I will pay by card. Alright, to confirm your reservation is for 2 person on March 15, 2025 at 7:30 p.m. Window seat is reserved and will prepare vegetarian foods. Payment will be by card. Yes, that's correct. Great. Your booking is confirmed. If you have anything, just call us. See you soon at Ono Hotel and Restaurant. Thank you. See you. Good evening, Miss Ayop. You may now sit. This is your table.
Kami magadya.
This is your water, ma'am. And this is your special request, ma'am, your wine.
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Thank you for coming on a hotel, ma'am. Come again soon. Thank you.